Imagine unlocking a new level of intelligence for your WordPress website, effortlessly. Today, we're diving deep into how you can build powerful tools for your WordPress site using the incredible capabilities of Deepseek AI. First, let's brainstorm what kind of AI-powered feature would truly benefit your website. Think about tasks like optimizing your content for better search engine rankings, creating engaging prompts to boost user interaction, or even automating repetitive administrative jobs. Are you looking to help users craft more compelling blog posts, foster community with smarter comment moderation, or perhaps streamline your site's performance with AI-driven insights? Next, we'll look at how Deepseek AI can help achieve these goals. The platform offers a wide range of natural language processing and generation features that can be integrated into custom WordPress tools. Consider leveraging AI for content creation assistance, intelligent summarization of lengthy articles, or even generating personalized recommendations for your visitors, all powered by Deepseek's advanced models. With your idea and AI capabilities in mind, it's time to think about the structure of your WordPress tool, which will be developed as a plugin. This involves mapping out how your tool will interact with the WordPress environment and how it will communicate with the Deepseek AI. Visualize the user interface within WordPress, where users will input their requests and see AI-generated results plan the backend logic that will fetch data, send it to Deepseek for processing, and then display the refined output back to the user. The core of your tool will involve connecting to the Deepseek AI service. This is typically done through their API, allowing your plugin to send requests and receive responses programmatically. This integration is crucial for enabling your tool to leverage the full power of Deepseek's AI for tasks like content optimization, improving user engagement through intelligent responses, and automating workflows that were once manual. Now comes the development phase where you'll build out your plugin. Bringing your design to life. Thorough testing is paramount to ensure your AI-driven tool functions flawlessly. Test all functionalities, from the user interface to the AI's output accuracy. This ensures your tool enhances website performance, improves user experience, and simplifies management, making your WordPress site truly intelligent. By following these steps, you can empower your WordPress ecosystem with unique, AI-driven features, thanks to the innovative capabilities of Deepseek.